We are Via.Delivery, a delivery platform that enables buy online, pick up anywhere capability for online retailers and direct-to-consumer brands that otherwise don't have any brick-and-mortar assets. We work with grocery and convenience stores, business centers, pharmacies, and other brick-and-mortar stores as our pickup points to provide your customers with a secure and comfortable delivery experience that fits their lifestyles and schedules. So, what's so special about us? To make it more clear, here's the whole delivery process. A customer places an order in your online shop and chooses the Buy Online, Pick Up Anywhere option. Then, the customer chooses a pickup point that is more convenient for them on the map. It can be a business center near work or, let's say, a convenience store close to home. We use existing commercial logistics infrastructure to lower shipping costs, avoid residential shipping surcharges, decrease theft, and deliver parcels to our pickup locations. Customers' parcels are held for 7 days in our pickup locations. All customer needs to do is show their ID and our tracking message to receive the order. It takes only 30 seconds. Okay, let's sum it all up. We offer delivery that is substantially cheaper than residential shipping. With simple integration, you will be able to diversify your store's shipping options, offering more customization for your customers. The Buy Online, Pick Up Anywhere option has completely eliminated porch piracy. It has also alleviated the inconvenience of having to be at home where commodities such as wine and higher-priced items would normally require a signature. Buy Online, Pick Up Anywhere trend is rapidly growing and constantly evolving. Up to 45% of orders made by customers in the largest omni-channel retailers are delivered via Buy Online, Pick Up Anywhere type options. With Via.Delivery, Buy Online, Pick Up Anywhere, in more than 36,000 partnering locations, you will always be one step ahead.
How to install Via.Delivery's app and its UI extensions in Shopify. First off, in your Shopify account, type in Buy Online, Pick Up Anywhere in the top bar. Click on the orange app icon in the search results, hit install, and then confirm installation. Once you get the Via.Delivery application module up, click I want to create a new Via.Delivery account. Next, enter in your email, phone number, legal entity name, and in the shipping address field, put in the primary warehouse address because that will be used to calculate shipping rates. Once done, click Sign Up, and then turn on the Enable UI Extensions checkbox and hit Save. Next, navigate to the Shopify settings in the lower left-hand corner and then click Checkout. Click Customize on your live checkout configuration. If you are using 3-page checkout, you need to select the shipping page in the top center navigation bar of the checkout, the top. You're going to then add the 3 app blocks for Via.Delivery to your page, marking each of them to be visible in ShopPay. Now, let's do the same thing and navigate to the Thank You page option. Add the app block in here as well, and use Gizmo in the app icon to move it below the order status block. Finally, navigate to Order Status page option and do the same steps as well here. Finally, click the Save button in the top right-hand corner and you are done with the installation. Now it's time to check your website and see how it looks.